at First House Dragons Vineyard. If you step into the circle, you'll be welcome. Pop them, let me see.
These have modern something nets.
Look them big ones there.
This?
Yay! You see that? Look at her over here.
This?
This big one here, this one here.
This?
Yeah. Yeah, you see? Puffball mushrooms. Oh, look at how many. Yay! You're spreading the seeds. Look big ones over here. Whoa! Ho, ho. Yes, man. Spread the seeds so you get more mycorrhizal fungi, puffball. We look another batch here, boy. We. Oh, yo. Yeah, all those seeds will go and spread and cause the ground here to be more fertile. So you see the grand coming and helping to spread the seeds while the mother and auntie talking away. Yay! The next one. Whoa! Yes, man. All right. Net, you're getting it right here and direct from First House Dragons Vineyard. Check she out, come. Mama. Check she out. All right.